Hey, this is Robert with Grizzly Software and Technical Services. Welcome to Magento 101, Lesson 2, Adding Your First Product. So, for this lesson, we are going to be logging into the Magento Lesson 1 installation that we created in our first lesson, and we're going to create a product and a category. So the first step is going to be going to Magento Lesson 1, which is our Magento install, and then visit /admin to get to the administrator. Now you may be prompted with a password, but I was already logged in. So the first step is going to be to go to Catalog, Manage Categories, and as you can see I've already got a demo cat 1, but we're going to go ahead and add another one. So click on Default Category and then add Subcategory. And we're going to call it Demo Cat 2. So we want to set this to is active. Yes, since we do want an active category. We don't need a description or meta keywords or any of that at the moment. And you want to make sure the include in navigation menu is set to yes, otherwise it won't show up on the top. Under display settings, all of this can be left as default, but display mode should be products only to display products. We can explore static blocks later. And go ahead and save your category. And here we have Demo Cat 2. So now the next step is going to be to actually add a product to that category. So go to Catalog, Manage Products, and we're going to add a second product. And these can be left as default and simple product because simple product should do everything we need it to do for now. Continue. And then we come to our actual product creation page. So most of this is going to be pretty self-explanatory. We're going to call this Demo Product 2. And then the description, this is going to be the long description that's displayed once you've actually clicked on the product in Magento. So here we're just going to do Demo Product 2 long description, and we can do some lorem ipsum just to fill in some of that extra space so you can kind of see some bulk there. Alright, and then the short description is actually the text displayed when you are looking at your product in a category. So we're going to call this Demo Product 2 Short Description. So the SKU. The SKU in Magento is basically the handle that Magento uses to tell products apart. This is the only thing in Magento that actually has to be separate or unique. So name it something that doesn't necessarily have to be rememberable, but something that will not be shared with any other products. So we're going to call this Demo 2 Product. And then wait is actually only used if you're dealing with shipping providers like UPS and FedEx. If you're using a fixed rate shipping provider, wait doesn't matter, but it does have to be entered. So for our purposes, we're going to set wait to 1, and then status will need to be enabled. In order to actually find your product in the catalog and search results, you've got to have visibility set to catalog search, which is the default. So then we'll go over to prices. So you can set the price whatever you want. That's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to set my price to $5. And then under tax class, we're just going to select none. So for images, this is going to be the product image that displays as the thumbnail, as the main product image, etc. So we're going to go to Browse Files, and I'm just going to grab a lovely picture of a tree I have here and upload. So the three selections you can do here are base image, small image, and thumbnail. And Magento will actually resize this image for you for the small image and thumbnail, so that's not something you have to worry about. So then we are going to go down to inventory. So for Magento to display the product, we have to tell it that the product is actually in stock. So we're going to set a quantity of 10 and then come down here and say stock availability in stock. And then under categories, we're going to come down and select DemoCat2 as our category to put this product in. So we should at this point be able to save this product and go out to our site and see it in our category. So let's give it a shot. So here we see DemoCat2, and as you can see, we now have our demo product. So that will conclude the lesson for today. Feel free to subscribe to our channel or visit grizzlysts.com for Magento assistance. Thank you and have a great day.